everyone, my name is Maria Thea Montefio. Ko kay Sophie, Hello everyone, my name is Maria Thea Montefio. I live in Barangay Cabugao Norte, Iloilo City. I am a returnee. I am 26 years old. I am already here in Iloilo Science and Technology since 2015.
We keep this love in a photograph. We made these memories for ourselves, where our eyes are never closing, hearts are never broken, and time's forever frozen still. So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me closer till our eyes meet. You won't ever be alone. Wait for me to come home.
Kanugon lang kay manograduate na ko tani. Balik kay nagbalik ako kay mga ginakuha ko nga subject, bali mga bago kay di ba new curriculum ang isa. So balikan ko anay second year kaging kuha ko lang ang mga new subject. So amo to mga classmates ko sang una. Ang iba nag-graduate na, ang iba nag-stop kay tungod ma-work or nabudlayan kuno sang ilang nga kurso. Pero never mind. So anyway guys, I have a daughter already. She is 3 years old.
You're my daughter and I love you madly. You're all that I want. Can we just stay here? Pause all the clocks. You wanna know what my problem is? I just got too many hobbies. I like to do this and that, and also some of this and this and that. And now my problem is that I'm really not that great at anything that I do.
Nag-graduate ako sa high school ko sa Buntatala. Pero wala na ako nakaagi sa senior high kay kami to bala ang last before mag senior high school.
School life, for my high school life, every memory kay ganda. High school days, oh my high school days are exciting kay saya. There are times may problema ka kung ang homework left.
So amo lang to classmate. Ang ma-advise ko lang sa inyo tanan, kung ano man ang pili nyo nga kurso subong, tapuson nyo gid kay balaan nyo lain kaya ang may tinapusan. Kag balaan man naton nga mabudlay gid man ang kurso ani, pero mas mabudlay kung ara ka na sa kabuhi nga ginatawag. So amo lang na guys, thank you for watching my videos and goodbye.